What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a brief into a well-designed pitch deck automatically using Claude. So let's get started. To turn a brief into a well-designed pitch deck using Claude, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for generating the pitch decks for us. To create a skill, I'll click on Customize right here and click on Skills. And here, I'm going to click on Create a Skill and click on Create with Claude. And hit Enter. So here you can see it's asking us to give it a description of what the skill should do. So we're going to tell it create a skill that turns a one-paragraph business brief into a polished presentation-ready pitch deck. The skill should generate the full slide structure, headlines, persuasive copy, layout suggestions, and presentation flow automatically while refining weak messaging and improving clarity. It should think like a pitch strategist and presentation designer, creating premium decks for founders, marketers, consultants, agencies, and sales presentations in minutes. I'm going to hit enter in order for Claude to create a skill for us. Let's give it a second for it to create a skill for us. You can see it successfully built our skill. Here's what it's inside. So it includes 5 XI frameworks, slide-by-slide output format, messaging audit, presenter notes, and quality checklist. So now to install our skill, you're going to download it and upload it as a zip file. This zip file right here. So now to upload the downloaded pitch deck, I'm going to go back to scales, and here I'm going to upload a scale. Here we're going to find our zip file, which is this one right here. Now you can see the skill that we generated right here that's going to be responsible for creating our pitch decks. This is incredible. So the name of the skill is pitch deck builder right here. Just going into more details on how Claude is going to create our pitch decks automatically from a simple one paragraph brief. This is incredible. It's outlining when Claude will use the skill, mindset before beginning, brief analysis, choosing the right deck type, building the slides, standard slide roster by deck type, here, presentation flow notes, quality standards and the output format, and example trigger phrases. This is really incredible. So you can edit the skill to remove or add more data in order to generate perfect pitch decks. To do that, you can choose to edit it right here using Claude. But I'm not going to edit the skill. Instead, I'm going to use it as is to generate our pitch deck. So here, we're going to use our pitch deck builder skill. We're here and give it a one paragraph brief that it will use to generate our pitch deck for us. So here you can tell Claude use this skill, our pitch deck builder skill, to create a pitch deck for Lux Automation, an AI automation agency for service businesses that automate lead qualification, appointment booking, follow-ups, onboarding, customer communication, and internal workflows, helping companies reduce costs, increase conversions, and scale without hiring extra staff. Generate minimal slides, concise copy, and no scripts or extra formatting. So here I'm going to hit enter to generate our pitch deck. Let's give it a second for you to do that. Here you can see it successfully generated our page deck for us over here. Here's what is inside and presented our file right here. Inside the slides we have 7 items. So we have the title, the problem, the solution, the numbers, how it works, who we serve, and a call to action right here. This is incredible. And then now here's our page deck in PowerPoint presentation format. This is incredible. Here we can preview our presentation slides. This is incredible. Look at this. This is awesome. So we wanted to generate a page deck for lax automation. So this is incredible. You can see right here. And then the last slide, we have a call to action where we are telling the prospect or the client ready to automate, book a free 30-minute automation audit. We'll map out exactly what to automate and what it's worth. And here we're going to attach the link to our calendar for them to schedule a call with us. This is really marvelous. This is incredible. By creating these scale, instructing Claude to generate our page deck for service business owners. So we can send our prospects or clients this pitch deck for them to learn more about our services and how we can help them automate manual tasks that they are currently doing in their business. This is incredible. We can use the scale to generate a different pitch deck for a different purpose. Let's do that. We're going to still use our scale. Click on our scale right here and tell Claude, use this scale to create a pitch deck for a premium restaurant concept called Lax Bistro. A modern dining experience that combines high-end cuisine, fast stable turnover, and AI-powered reservation and customer engagement systems that handle booking, wait lists, personalized offers, and guest communication, helping the restaurant increase occupancy, improve customer experience, and maximize revenue per seat with minimal staff workload. Use minimal slides, concise copy only, no scripts or extra formatting to generate our pitch deck. I'll hit enter right here. Give it a second for it to generate our pitch deck for us. So here you can see it successfully generated our pitch deck for us right here. So we wanted pitch deck for a premium restaurant concept called Lax Bistro, and he went ahead and generated our pitch deck. Here are 7 slides with what's inside. So the first slide is the title, second one is the problem, third is the solution, fourth is the business model, fifth is the market opportunity, sixth is the competitive edge, and the last one is the ask. And on the right here you can see the preview of our pitch deck. This is incredible. This is really awesome. You can see each slide. So this is a first slide, which is the title, and here's the second slide, problem, and the third slide is the solution right here with 4 feature grids, and the fourth one is the business model right here, 3 revenue streams, 1 premium brand. The fifth is the market opportunity, as you can see right here. The sixth is the competitive edge, you can see right here. And the last is the ask or the call to action. This is really awesome. This is incredible. So using our scale, which was the page deck build scale, we generated this amazing page deck for a premium restaurant concept called Lax Bistro right here .com. This is incredible. We can try generating a page deck one last time for a different niche, this time around to lawyers. So we can tell Claude, use this skill to create a page deck for a modern law firm system called Lax Legal, an AI-powered legal operation platform for lawyers that automates client intake, case qualification, document drafting, appointment scheduling, flow-ups, and internal case management workflows, helping law firms reduce administrative workload, improve response times, increase billable efficiency, and scale client capacity without adding extra stuff. Minimal slides, concise copy only, no scripts or extra formatting. If you wanted to include more slides, you can include the number of slides that you'd like to include and maybe define the tone, that you'd like to include as a copy in the pitch deck. But right now I'm going to just use minimal slides and concise copy only. To generate the pitch deck, I'm going to hit enter right here. Let's give it a minute or two for it to generate our pitch deck. So here you can see it successfully generated our pitch deck for us right here. And here's what's inside each slide. Now on the right, you can see a preview of our pitch deck. Each slide right here. This is really incredible. So the first slide contains the title. Second one contains the problem. The third slide contains the solution. Fourth contains how it works. Fifth contains the results. Sixth contains who it's for. The last is the closing slide, the call to action. So now to download our slides to our computer, we have to just click on download right here to download the slides. Now slides will be downloaded and saved to our computer. This is really incredible. So this is how you can generate pitch decks from a one paragraph brief automatically using Claude. You can see it right here. No coding, no design, just prompting, creating the skill and then prompting it to generate our pitch deck, similar to this one over here. This is incredible. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.